So what to sell on Amazon? This is the big question that everybody wants an answer for, and this is what we are talking about in today's video. Hey guys, this is Farah. We talk about building a business, a private label business on Amazon on this channel. So if you're interested in that, then email me at hello@farahfinds.com and let's get you started. This channel is dedicated to building a business online, especially on Amazon. If you're interested in that, then please do subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. So what should you sell on Amazon? I think fashion makes a great case for your first product or even your long-term product ideas, because fashion fits the bill for a perfect FBA product. It's a fashion product like a dress, a t-shirt, any type of clothing can be flat packed, and so the FBA fees will be quite low. And this is one of the reasons I really like this idea and advocate for it. I've been selling fashion myself on Amazon for over a decade, and still find new products all the time. And the thing with fashion on Amazon is that the selection is not that great. So this is what I wanted to show you, that there is so much opportunity for new brands, for new products to be launched on Amazon, because Amazon's brands can really, manufacturers, brands, they can really benefit from the infrastructure that Amazon has built. Amazon can provide same-day delivery. It's at a very low cost. So all the Prime members, they can order product same day, and Amazon is delivering till like 10 p.m. And this is something that would be very expensive to do in your own system, and through Royal Mail or any other system that you want to build in your own company without Amazon. It would be ridiculous. So that's why for Amazon FBA, it makes really a lot of sense to start selling fashion products on Amazon and build your brand, and a strong brand at that. So I'm going to take you to my laptop now and show you some research that I found, and hopefully you will enjoy it.
Dress. Your dresses for women, UK, 18,000 searches per month. Dressing table, dressing gown, maxi dresses for women, UK. Prom dresses, huge amounts of search. Summer dress, huge amounts of search. Let's check this out. Now, obviously, this is like the main keyword, but you could create a really effective long tail keyword out of this, depending on the style of the dress or the shape and the materials and whatever. The fashion dictates it, okay? And then the trendier it is, the better your product will do. So let's run Helium 10 here. We're going to use the X-ray and just see what's going on the overall category, what's the revenue and average prices alike. So here, let's just give it a couple of minutes to load up. It's ready, it's loaded up. So Helium X-ray, they have changed this a little bit. Their you can call it like their opportunity score kind of visualization. So 6 of the top 10 products have under 75 reviews. That means it's good. There is still space for newer sellers to come in. 3 of the top 10 products have revenue over 5,000. So definitely a better style, better dress might have more sway with the customers. So the top brand that's doing really well is Roman Originals. Obviously, that's like a famous UK brand. So we're just gonna open that up in a separate window, and we'll analyze it later. But it's a good price, high price point. The next one though is not. It's slightly about £26, and let's look at the sales graph for this last 90 days. So this is just reflective of the weather. As the weather's improving, this is improving. So what we can do is just see the all time, never rely on the 30-day data, just try to see an overall movement of the product, how it changed. And obviously we are experiencing in our business as well. From February was one of our busiest months, and then going forward, it's it's just going to pick up for fashion. So this is a healthy average for a dress product. And so what I'm going to do, I want to open this up as well, and I want to check the variations and everything. So FBA fees is about £6.48. That includes the, I think, the referral fee as well. So we're going to have to check using the profitability calculator. We'll go into detail in just a second. But as you can see, Amazon Essentials is popping up too. But that's where, this is the beauty of selling in fashion. Amazon can hardly keep up with the trends, so they stick to basics. The Amazon Essentials, the basic styles, t-shirts, and they don't really keep up with the trends as such. This is also an Amazon brand. You can see it is this is just funny, hilarious. Look at it. Let's go to the all time. Did it ever have any good time? Doesn't look like it. That's 30 days. No. 25th of February. So it's just started. It's just a new style that's come in, and it's just starting to pick up now. So that's where probably their summer collection landed, and it's not doing that great for them so far. And another find, so this is also another Amazon brand just starting to pick up. So this also tells you that, just because you quickly list a product and you start expected to start doing it really well, doesn't really happen that quickly. Even Amazon's own products, it takes time. It takes time for it to actually start showing some movement. And let's go to the all time. And so, okay, all right, so this is a little different. They had this style on from March 2020, and they've still got it. And yeah, it is probably not one of their best styles. So a tanking style is not doing well for Amazon at all. And so we're just going to open that up in a new tab. But as you can see, even though Amazon might want to dominate this, it is not as easy for them. Roman Originals is doing much better, and their top revenue is just under 50K. So there is a lot of space in this. There's not a lot of nice summer dresses on Amazon. And what did I tell you guys? I've been harping on about this. That fashion is the biggest, most growing category on Amazon that has so much potential. So definitely check it out. Let's look at what I want to do is I want to check the listing date. When was this product first listed? Creation date, which you can obviously see from so this was a style they brought in 2019, and it's still doing well. And this is the beauty of selling fashion on Amazon, because some of your styles that start doing really well historically and it start building up history, with time they will only do better and better. So even after 3-4 years, this style is still doing close to 50K a month for this company, this brand, which is amazing, because in retail shops it doesn't work this way. Like in retail shops, you have to have new collections and the fresh style in all the time, but it's not the same. That's where you get the benefit of selling online, where your styles that do historically well, classics, they will always do well. So obviously I'm using X-Ray here by Helium 10. I have a discount code, 50% off your first month using code FarahFinds50, and you will be able to use Helium 10 and X-Ray and all the other wonderful tools in your search for the right product to sell on Amazon. So make sure you guys do use Farah Finds 50 to get 50% off your first month. And if you think that you're going to be using it for a couple of months, that this might be better to use the 10% off code Farah Finds 10. And just click on this link. Link would be in the description box under the video. So make sure you guys use it and sign up. If you're going to be doing your research over a few months, then the second option might be better for you. If you're just going to use it for 1 month, just want to try things out, then this is a better discount, 50% off your first month. So Helium 10 has quite a few powerful tools: product research, keyword research, optimization, especially their tool where you can sort out your keyword list. Really, really great. I might add a tutorial for this in next coming weeks. But it's a pretty nifty tool, and when you're doing product research, you do need to see the revenue numbers and see how much of a product is moving every month, how many units. So it's very, very helpful. So the reviews on this listing, even though it's been selling for a really, really long time, is only about $3.95, which is in line with fashion. Even one of my top selling products, we've just probably crossed reviews over 1,000, but that's probably selling for longer than 4 years. So in fashion, it works a little differently. The reviews don't work the same way. So this listing, however, has 3,805 reviews, which is a lot more. And I just want to see that, yeah, so they started selling in 2016. 2016 is a very, very long time, FBA, right? And it weighs under a kilo, about 900 grams. So anyway, I'm going to close this, and I want to show you guys how to check the proper FBA fees for this. So let's close this, and we will go into, let's check the Roman originals first. And wow, they have a lot of variations. So this is this is just a classic dress. There's not much going on with this style. So they've got like a few different types, which are not very similar, to be honest. So, okay. There's no video. That's why you can see like Helium 10's not giving it a very high score. You can upload a dress product video. But let's use this as an example, and I always check who the seller is because it's interesting to me. Let's just see. Okay, so it's China-based seller. That's all right, not a problem. Let's go back. So I wanted to show you how to figure out the correct FBA fees, and as you can see, this is probably the reason why they've got so many reviews on this. They have about 3,800 reviews on just this listing, and so many variations, and in different sizes as well. So it's great. So what we're going to do is we're going to run Helium's profitability calculator, and going to take a quick look. Okay, so the dress weight is about 410 grams. Okay, and manufacturing costs about £5. That's an estimate by Helium, could be less. But this is where you will truly see the fees, okay, of the product. So referral fees is about £3.98. So if you select, okay, make sure you always select the category. So we're going to select something that is closest to clothing, shoes and bags, prime. So it's about $3.98. So without it, what was it? It's still $3.98. Yeah. So the fees shown here are not always 100% correct. That's why I'm a bit careful. Depending on this, always make a test listing to figure out apparel. Okay. So the fees has changed a little bit. Yeah. I think the only thing that changed with this was this. The fee went a little bit higher, the storage fee. So these are the 3 different types of fee that you can expect Amazon to charge you. as you use FBA to sell your products. Okay, so this dress is making a killing on Amazon. Okay, great profit margin. Expecting the manufacturing cost would be higher or lower depending on the product shipping cost, because as you know, we don't have the correct estimate. So you have about, after paying Amazon for everything. Oh, let's just stop this. Sorry about that noise. But you can, if we just consider this at zero, right? What you've got after paying for Amazon fees, you've got about 14 to 15 pounds to play with, to pay for the product, to pay for everything else. So this is a handsome, profit margin to play with, and so this you would call, it's the gross profit term is not exact term to use right here, but you have margin to play with, to pay for the product, to pay for everything else. That's what I mean to say. So I hope this video helps you on doing product research on Amazon. These guys have added a video. So obviously this is the problem with, like, brands hate Amazon. Like, they don't make as much effort as the third-party sellers, because we really value the sales channel of Amazon, and we make all the effort to give our products the best chance. But you would see the big brands don't make such an effort at all, and there are multiple sellers on those listings, and sometimes they just don't make the effort. So that's okay for us, because all the more revenue for us to take from Amazon's customers. I quickly wanted to also check this. This just looks sad. I mean, look at this product from Amazon itself. They haven't added any detail, just a blur. It's just, this thing is just underwhelming. That's all you can say about it. And no video, no content, nothing at all going on with this, nothing at all. But I would just leave this at this. Please make sure you guys use the discount code I've mentioned if you do want to do proper product research on Amazon and really see the revenue numbers and see what's going on behind the scenes, because this really provides you with eyes on Amazon, like what's going on.
I also created another product research video, which is from the angle of marketability of the product. Do watch it here if you're looking for more ideas about which products to sell on Amazon. I'm sure it will be very, very helpful. But let me know in the comments below what you think about today's video. What was your key learning? If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer. And that's all from me today. I will see you guys next time. Bye.